If you need to administer an EpiPen for yourself or others, it's easy to use in 2 simple steps. If there's an emergency, these 2 simple steps could save your life or someone else's. Hold the ergonomically designed EpiPen in your hand and 1. Pull off the blue safety release, which will unlock the device. Now the EpiPen auto-injector is ready to use. A clear window shows if the EpiPen has already been used. If the clear window is obstructed in any way, or if the device does not fit into the carrier, it should not be used. 2. Place the orange end of the EpiPen against the outer mid-thigh and push firmly into the thigh so it clicks. Hold it there for approximately 10 seconds to make sure all the medicine is delivered. Seek emergency medical attention right away. Take the EpiPen auto-injector with you to the hospital emergency department. There is no need for concern about an exposed needle, since it is protected both before and after use. You'll also find easy-to-read instructions printed on the EpiPen auto-injector. It's as simple as 1, 2. Remember these 2 simple steps, and always keep your EpiPen auto-injector close at hand to stay prepared.